This is mat work, lesson 1, adding value to the mat.
Yes.
In the beginning, you will accept just 2 paws on. You want a reward on the mat. Use your marker word, and then toss
Yes.
the treat a little ways out in the direction that they're facing.
Jake. Yes. You ready? You want to talk about 4 paws?
Yes.
Yes.
Eventually, you want to wait until they have all 4 paws on.
Yes. Yes. Good boy.
Really reward, jackpot that, make a party out of it, and you want to accept
Yes.
only 4 paws on. Mark it and reward.
Good boy. Yes. Good boy.